So go ahead and give it a taste test.
But now I got it and I know just what to do.
How it tastes, Lex? Oh, wow. Very good. Y'all like your cookie cake y'all made? The bag got some milk. Let me see it. How it tastes, Kamaya?
It's good.
Mmm.
You want to try it? Oh, no.
Nah, I can't. I'm on keto. Alright, what'd you think about Nevaeh? Mmm.
Okay, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.